Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of AI tokens and what every investor needs to know. So, grab your favorite snack and let's get started. AI tokens are digital assets designed to power artificial intelligence applications. Think of them as the fuel behind AI-driven projects. These tokens can be used to pay for services, access platforms, or even as a form of investment. But why should you care? Well, AI is revolutionizing everything, from healthcare to finance. As AI becomes more integrated into our daily lives, the demand for these tokens is likely to skyrocket. Imagine being an early investor in Bitcoin. AI tokens could have similar potential. But hold on, before you get too excited, let's talk about the risks. Like any investment, AI tokens come with their own set of challenges. The market is incredibly volatile, and not all tokens will succeed. It's essential to do thorough research and understand the technology behind the token you're considering. One key factor to look at is the team behind the project. Are they credible? Do they have a track record of success? Another crucial aspect is the use case. Does the token solve a real-world problem? If the answer is yes, then it might be worth a closer look. Now let's talk about some popular AI tokens you might have heard of. Singularity Net, for example, allows anyone to create, share, and monetize AI technologies at scale. Another one is Fetch.ai, which focuses on autonomous agents that can perform tasks on behalf of users. These tokens are already making waves and could be game changers in the future. But remember, diversity is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Investing in a variety of tokens can help mitigate risks. And always keep an eye on market trends and news. The crypto landscape changes rapidly and staying updated is crucial. Alright, so here's the takeaway. AI tokens offer incredible opportunities but come with significant risks. Do your homework, diversify your investments, and stay informed. If you can navigate the complexities, you might just find yourself ahead of the curve. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more AI videos. See you next time.